In this video, I'll detail about Apple Watch time settings 24 hours. So if you want to change your Apple Watch time settings from 12 hours to 24 hours, or you want to change the Apple Watch time settings from 24 hours to 12 hours, then this video is going to walk you through. With your Apple Watch 24 hours time, your Apple Watch time will be from 1 to 24 hours instead of 1 to 12. So that is if you change the watch face. So let's say you change your Apple Watch face like this, and then you want to choose a digital watch. So let's go ahead and set the digital watch as a Apple Watch face so that you'll be able to know when you change the Apple Watch time settings from 24 hours to 12 hours or from 12 hours to 24 hours. Now you can see this is night 10. Now for me to change the time settings from 12 hours to 24 hours, I need to use my iPhone. So just drop your Apple Watch and then go grab your iPhone. Once you have your iPhone, go to the Apple Watch on your iPhone, open it. Now, once you're on the Apple Watch app, just scroll down and find the clock application on your iPhone. Click on this. Then here, you should see the 24 hours time. So if this is enabled, this is going to show the 24 hours time on your Apple Watch. And if this is disabled, this is going to disable the 24 hours time on your Apple Watch. That's all you need to do to set your Apple Watch time settings to 24 hours time. So just make sure you turn on 24 hours time. And instead of using the 12 hours time on your Apple Watch, this is going to change to 24 hours time on your Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.